Hello everyone. This question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is sixth question of its exercise 3.5. So the question says that find all the prime factors of 729 and arrange them in ascending order. Now state the relation, if any, between two consecutive prime factors. So firstly से हम divide कर लेंगे 729 by 7 तो हमारे पास आएगा 247 then इसे 13 से डिवाइड करेंगे प्लस 19 से डिवाइड करेंगे 10 बार तो प्राइम फैक्टर्स आएगा हमारे पास इन्हें असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर देंगे 7 13 and 19 so then now state the relation if any between two consecutive prime factor so 13 minus 7 is equal to 6 19 minus 13 is equal to 6 so relation जाएगा so difference between two consecutive prime number is 6. Thank you.